Dashboard customization. The dashboard can be customized to meet your individual working needs. You can customize which panels are shown or hidden from view. You can also customize their location within the dashboard. To customize which panels appear, click on Customize Dashboard. To hide one or more panels, simply uncheck the boxes and click OK. They will be immediately hidden from view. To add a panel or panels, simply check the boxes and click OK. You will once again be able to see these panels. You can also customize the layout of your dashboard. Just drag the panels to their new desired locations. They will be automatically resized to fit the overall layout of the dashboard. A confirmation pop-up will appear. To make the changes permanent, click Yes. Clicking No will only save this layout for the current logged-on session. The next time you log in, these changes will not appear. There are more customizations available, such as your date and time formatting, that we will look at in more depth later.